Today's recipe is a snack, an evening snack and a very unusual snack at that. It's a combination of two classics, a bread pakoda and a kanda bhajia. The name of this recipe, bread onion roll. Let's begin. Well, I'm going to divide this recipe in a couple of components. The first one is getting the batter right. The second one is getting the inside of the roll right, which is the bread and the filling in this case. I'm actually going to surprise you with green chutney, a Schezwan chutney, along with some mozzarella cheese. So getting all these wonderful, beautiful components together, beginning of course with the batter. Let's begin with untoasted gram flour. To this, I'm going to add in salt, carom seeds, and red chilli powder. Let's add in water and whip this up into a lump-free batter. At this point in time, it should be a thick batter. Well, the batter should be almost like a cake batter, dropping consistency or zabayon consistency as you technically call it. We're going to keep this aside and take a couple of red onions and cut them into slices. Once the onions are sliced, we're going to crush them like so and then add it into the batter. Now it's important to make the batter first and then add in the onions so that the batter is lump free before the addition of onions. Let's bring this back into our lives, scrape the sides of the bowl and mix this like so. Let's move on to the next step, and that is taking a slice of fresh bread and pressing it like so using a rolling pin. Well, this is just one of those ideas to increase the surface area of the bread. Let's keep this aside and move on to the next one. Moving on to applying some spicy green chutney onto a sliced bread and spreading it evenly with the help of a butter knife. On the next three slices, just as an addition and surprise, I'm adding in Schezwan Chutney, and again, let's spread it. Let's also add in some mozzarella or any cheese of your choice. Processed cheese also works brilliantly well. Roll this up nice and tight like a pinwheel and secure this with the help of a toothpick. Our chutney cheese and Schezwan cheese pinwheels are done and ready. They're also secured with the help of a toothpick. The next step is to remove the toothpick. Dip this very carefully in this batter. Roll it once, twice over. Ensure the batter coats the bread roll, and this goes straight in hot oil. Our bread onion rolls are fried and ready. Let's transfer these on an absorbent tissue paper and continue with the rest. With this, ladies and gentlemen, bread onion roll done and ready. Imagine a combination of bread pakoda and kanda bhaji. Well, why just imagine? Now you have the recipe. Make this, invite your family, invite your friends, and enjoy this literally any season. Bye for now.